Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and doing great. Now today we're going to be making a really easy recipe for sausage rolls. Sausage rolls is an absolute favorite of mine. It is so delicious and it makes a great family treat and favorite. So we're going to be making it today, and I'm going to be starting out with sifting my flour. Now I've got 7 cups of flour on here, which I'm going to sift into my bowl. So as our flour is sifted and ready, now I'm going to be adding in 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I've got here 1 3/4 cup of butter, which is quite cold, and I'm going to add that into our flour. And make sure your hands are clean for this process. My hands are washed and clean, and I'm just going to mix the butter in gently with the dough. You want it quite crumbly, and you just have to patiently keep mixing it through. Okay, so we're going to set this aside and move on to the next step. So here I'm going to add in 2 eggs into my clean cup. And I've got 1 cup of cold milk here, which I'm going to add into the eggs, and we're going to give it all a mix. Now we're going to bring our flour back and make a well in the middle of the flour. Now make sure your hands are clean for this step, and we are going to add in our wet ingredients into the dry. I'm going to be adding in 1/3 cup of water just to loosen up the dough a bit. Now the dough is ready, so I'm just going to put it in here in a container. And I'm going to cover it and allow to rest in the fridge for 1 hour. So I've got 500 grams of pork sausages here, which I'm going to take out of the casing into my bowl. So I've added in all my spices in here. So this is what it looks like, and now we're going to move on to the next step. Now we're preparing our egg wash. I've got 1 egg here, which I'm going to put into my bowl. So I'm just going to flour down my surface a little. And that is our dough looking beautiful. Just going to knead it a little.